All right, guys, if you are in need of a virtual assistant, we can provide that to you. Click the link down below. We have VAs looking for clients, looking for business owners to help for as low as $3 per hour. So if you are in real estate and you need help with tasks like looking up properties, creating spreadsheets, editing videos, creating websites, creating digital products for you, get yourself a virtual assistant. We just connect you with a VA that you pay yourself. We give you a NDA so your personal information is protected. We give you a tutorial on how to communicate with them effectively, how to monitor their work. There's a software where you can screen record, take screenshots of the work being done. Get yourself a virtual assistant and bring your vision to life. Good luck, guys. Peace.